the people of Kenya is authentic, particularly on the issues we are facing as a nation. Let me say a summary of the security challenges we are facing as a nation is as follows. One, Your Excellency, we continue facing the challenge of terror around our borders, and that is an issue that we continue managing. Our security teams are working on, and we appreciate the chiefs and assistant chiefs that cover the areas affected because they are working closely with the police to make sure that this issue is addressed. Number two, Your Excellency, we continue facing the challenges of banditry. Banditry continues to become a challenge in most parts of the country, but we must report that, Mr. President, since you came to office, a lot has been done across, especially areas of Kerio Valley, where there is now peace, and we have pacified those areas. We have taken guns from the criminals, and with the support of the chiefs, we have been able to collect over 1,000 guns in only less than 4 or 5 months. That is thanks to the guidance that you've given. We still face challenges of banditry, especially in the counties of Meru, Isiolo, Samburu, and Mr. President, this is an issue that we want to deal with and deal with finality based on your using the example we have received from the successful areas. The third issue, Your Excellency, we continue to place that threatens our country, and we require your guidance today, is the question of alcohol and drug abuse. That, Your Excellency, is a big issue. And I must thank the chiefs and assistant chiefs because they're in the forefront. However, Your Excellency, through Jukwaa la Usalama, we have insisted that we want to work together as a team. One of the things that makes this issue difficult is matters of corruption, matters of licensing when it comes to by county government, Your Excellency. Some counties have bars in some towns more than the restaurants, making it difficult for us to deal with this issue. And through your guidance today, we will want to work together to make sure we sort out this issue. We have addressed also the question of the fight between the police officers and the chiefs and the assistant chiefs about enforcement. I'm sad to note, Mr. President, that in some places, the OCSs were setting up the chiefs. You know, because they have taken a bribe, from the person who is selling the alcohol, they set up the chief and they tell the other people, let them just do it. We will not take this matter to court, or if the chief is beaten, we are not going to help them. So some of the chiefs are failing a lot of threats. That's why they are asking you, Mr. President, if you can help them, we operationalize GAPO, National Government Administration Police Unit, to be able to solve this issue. Because that, Mr. President, is a big issue they are facing. And sometimes, I must say, even if they have cheered me, a few of the chiefs, Mr. President, are also culpable. Some of the fights they had with the OCSs is because they are fighting over who will collect the bribe.